This is review 1. We're going to review everything you learned in the first 4 days of the 30-day Hindi challenge. You are brave. You can do this. Chalo, let's go learn Hindi.
नमस्कार, हरा धनिया बारीक कटा हुआ एक कटोरी आप सबको बहुत
Hey everyone, welcome to day 5 of the 30-day Hindi challenge. Every 5 days in the 30-day challenge, we're going to be doing a review day. This is to make sure that you retain the information that you're learning every day, that nothing falls through the gaps, and that you become more confident and comfortable using these sentences and making these constructions in Hindi. So let's put it all together and review what we've learned over the past 4 days. क्या आप विद्यार्थी हैं? You'll remember that this means, are you a student? And we're going to do a kind of call and repeat. We're going to respond to that question with, नहीं, मैं विद्यार्थी नहीं हूँ. No, I'm not a student. You should be able to distinguish and to remember what these sentences mean. And if not, you can go back and look in your notes or look in the guide. क्या आप शिक्षक हैं? नहीं, मैं शिक्षक नहीं हूँ. क्या आप भारतीय हैं? नहीं, मैं भारतीय नहीं हूँ. क्या आप अमेरिकी हैं? नहीं, मैं अमेरिकी नहीं हूँ. क्या आप व्यापारी हैं? नहीं, मैं व्यापारी नहीं हूँ. क्या आप लेखक हैं? नहीं, मैं लेखक नहीं हूँ. क्या आप अमीर हैं? नहीं, मैं अमीर नहीं हूँ. Spend some time reviewing this, go over it a few times until you're confident and until you've really practiced this and got it down. Thank you for joining us for the 30-day Hindi challenge. Come back tomorrow for day 6.